Okay. So, can I play with Mom?
No.
Okay. Here. Just only 10 minutes. Okay.
Ito nga, be. Saan yung headset? Eli, asan yung headset?
Okay.
Ano ba?
Okay. So, enough for playing. Oo.
Lilipat ako sa cellphone.
Oh. Okay. Sleep time. Oh, eat time. Yummy. Well, yummy. And sleep time in your bed. Oh. In next day. Oh. There.
Be! Wait lang, hindi ako wait lang, babalik ako.
Babe. Yes.
Hello?
Okay.
Rinig mo ako? Huwag ako Binagpalit na ako ng cellphone. Nadali, ang...
Ew!
Ano? Ba't kape mo ba dalawang music, be?
Okay. Bye! Okay. Let's go. Lunch time.
Ang clean time.
I'm going to my bedroom and I'll rest some 5 minutes.
Ulo, grabe naman ang pagbuhat ng sariling upuan.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, son. Good morning, son.
Grabe
Can
naman
I?
ang buhat ng bangko yung...
Oh my God.
Buhat mo sarili mo
Can I
upuan
play
niya.
outside? Okay. Yay.